Good boy, Pumpkin. Pumpkin, up, up. Up, up.
You guys want him?
The white one's actually the tame one, the other one's not. Steve, try to get the white bird after, okay?
Is it on Netflix?
He wants to hang out with you more. See, he does. He wants to be with you. Pumpkin.
I'm leaving.
Pumpkin.
Pocket says, damn, that's more work I've done in a week.
He doesn't like it.
Yeah, right.
Here, I pet his back. Watch.
You watch Homeland?
He wants to come on your shoulder. You're gonna let him go on your shoulder?
Yeah. Good.
Good boy, but it's not always good to have them every day go on your shoulder because then they feel higher than you. And it's not good for parrots because they get egos and they think they're your boss, you know? But once in a while is okay. Pumpkin, open your wings!
What up, homie?
Jeremy! Jeremy! He went there from his...
Oh my god, he's eating his hair.
Peggy!
Okay, he doesn't have
Ow,
enough hair. Ow, that's gotta hurt. He was like sitting
He
on his
doesn't want to
hair.
go in there.
And she was eating his hair.
Come on.
Doesn't have enough hair. Oh, my baby.
Go home.
She's scared of
You
him.
go home. Oh, really?
Well, yeah, that's why she wants to go. Pumpkin, open your wings! Open your wings! Go home.
You go home. Come on, baby.
Pumpkin, be nice.
Okay, you gotta stay there now.
See, he doesn't want you to leave. Open your wings, Pumpkin!
You scared now?
I got it on it. He was on his shoulder and then he decided to go on his head. I have it on video.
Oh, he's petting him.
Good boy, Pumpkin. Pretty bird.